cars was such a wonderful experience. I drove i7 and it is like a silent car. Awesome experience.
And BMW had organized a superb event in Silvassa in Pearl Resort. It was amazing and awesome.
Mixology was a totally new experience. This is the first time I think that I made that cocktails with myself. So that was also too good experience.
Thank you so much. First of all, I think Eminent has been really wonderful hosting the event and everything. I already told them about this one and I really wanted to say it out loud that arranging a group of people and to have something like this kind of event which was phenomenal.